This is the hard drive unit, and this is the UPS. One end of the UPS connects to the power supply specifically to the ACC port, while the other end connects to the MDVR. We've connected the IPC now. Since this is just a demonstration, we haven't installed the enclosure. Here is the cable connecting the IPC to the wireless microphone receiver. Once connected, we can speak using the wireless microphone transmitter. Let's go to the platform and turn on the listening function. Testing from another location.
喂喂，123，123，喂喂，你好，你好，1234567，1234567，你好，你好。
现在开启了键。
喂喂喂，123，123。
哦，听得到，听得到。
As you can see, the wireless microphone is working properly.